Ethan.
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 Yes, sir.
How old are you?
28.
28.
Yes, sir.
My son, 32 years old.
Okay, just like me.
Yeah, like you and my son, like.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. This is Litchi and other one, this. Like this.
Very nice.
Mali up, Mali jump. Mali come. And down. सबै कुरा भन्छ यार सबै म
Very smart dog.
if anybody calling the Nepali language, nobody understand. Only for I call English language, like only understand English. Mali come here. Come up. Sit down. Kind of tree from Kolkata.
Small one.
Yeah, small one, big one, everything. But I everything online payment.
Yeah.
I payment online.
Yeah.
Then he's called me when he loaded. Then nearby India. Here to India around 10 kilometers.
Yeah.
Then we have also big nursery there.
Okay.
Then we are collection there. Then after collection from there here.
Okay.
They're all Nepal from Kolkata. If we are by this plantation Mumbai,
Yeah.
very expensive. If by Kolkata, demand is very cheap, like around 50 rupees, 100 rupees less than Kolkata. ल आज धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद हाम्रो कहाँबाट फ्रम अगेन ट्याक्सिस युकेबाट आउनुभएको नर्सरी के भन्छ अरे यो नो लिटल स्पिक नेपाली
Namaste.
नमस्ते ओन्ली फर नमस्ते
I'm Ethan Ho.
यहाँ चाहिँ नि आज मसित धेरै कता कताबाट जोडे नानीसितबाट जोडिन आउनुभएको यो नर्सरी आम कटहर लिचीको बिरुवा लिनलाई हाम्रो फरेस्टेटमा यहाँ कुन के सामुदायिक बढेर नि हर्दियाचारी भगवती सामुदायिकमा आँप कटहर लिचीको बिरुवा लिन आउनु भएको छ उहाँलाई चाहिँ म आज भोलि बिहान पठाउँछु अमेरिकाबाट यहाँ आज चाहिँ नि भनौँ न मेरो घर बिउ लिन आएको
Transportation for many of these trees back.
No, I'll drop tomorrow.
Okay.
Not now, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I will drop there around कति बेला छोडौँ अनि म पठाइदिन्छु कि त्यो दाईको रेटमा म पठाइदियो भने त अन्त early morning around first house I will drop there, okay?
Okay.
They all come. See what is saying? See, yeah. If we are meeting here, he understand each other longer. This ignore me, you know. He is going after. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Open. See every